These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is simply what I'm personally doing, and it's provided for educational purposes only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and your own trading decisions. Trading involves risk, and results can vary based on your experience, trading style, and risk management, and how well you can calculate and manage those risks. These live sessions are my personal trading sessions shared strictly to educate and document my own journey in the markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I take my first trade right here. I will take a couple of trades today, and I will explain why I take this trade. Okay, let me just change this. Yeah, you can see that we have a potential third touch breakout set up, but we don't have it formed yet. I'm waiting for this breakout to happen, and then we have this single candle market sequence, and most likely it will create a green candle. That's why I took this as a green one. Yeah, we have still some space until the level, and the third touch breakout is waiting for us, and I can clearly see that creating higher high on previous candle, and we have minor uptrend. That's why I take this as a buy trade. Today I'll keep this session short as possible. Yeah, let's just see. Oh my god, that's a weird movement. That's a weird movement. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going until the next opportunity. We lost the first trade. That's fine. I'll keep looking. The market, did you see the movements? That's called bad market. I take this trade based on common point of rejection. This inverted hammer is closing on a buyer's area. It's a reversal sign for me, and I combined it with common point of rejection. This one. Let's see if it's gonna reject. It would be better if I was entering somewhere down here, but it's still fine. I'm expecting a rejection, especially on the previous two candles. We didn't even create a lower low. And also we have this gap down in the favor of buyers. Common point of rejection means if you have a market like this that's ranging, and you can see dojis right at the middle, and there you see a lot of wicks. A lot of rejections. You can draw a common line, and you can take 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th touches and expect rejection. Okay. I'm gonna look for other opportunities. This is the first trade that we took and lost. I literally was expecting this kind of candles. The movement of the candle was crazy, and it shows that this market is not good at all for trading. I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, we have a nice little supply area, respected support, and order block. Let's just find a buyer entry inside of this. There we go. You already see my beautiful entry. I'm gonna take this trade. Okay, so why do I want to take this trade? Is because we have this respected support area. See these rejections? This is a respected support. So if this is respected support, why this is broken? It's because the buyers are finished on the support area, okay? And the sellers are stronger. And right before the sellers, we have this order block. This is called order block because we have fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. This is the order block. And also this is a supply area. So obviously there's a decision point right inside this supply. And then this red zone is the decision point for this breakout. I'm going to take this one. Okay. Just as this one. See respected resistance. See how many times it's respected. And then the breakout happens. So this is the decision point for buyers. And if I mark this area and go to lower time frame, I may see some lower time frame entries. Look at this one. Doesn't let me just remove all the drawings because it hit the limitation. I'm going to draw this. And I will make it red. And let's go back to 1 minute again and draw the actual demand. So this is the actual demand. The red zone is the lower time frame entry for this demand, and this would be my entry, right? So this is how we trade. If you draw the common point of rejection, you can see that we have also the common point of rejection. The entry is below that, so this is a safe trade to take. Let's see, my entries are, oh shit, I have to draw that again because we removed the boxes. Yeah, somewhere here. Let me just check it again. Yeah, this is the entry for this. Unfortunately, the price already going down. So yeah, I'll just wait for this to go to my entry. That's how things work in trading. You have to wait a lot. I'm going to keep looking. Guys, do not forget to join the official Telegram channel. I don't have a signal channel. I don't have copy trading, things like that. Just for you to be aware and do not fall in the trap of scammers. I'm going to take a 250 trade on this one. Let's go. That breakout. But the question is, why did I take 250? Because there's high chance to lose this trade because of the momentum that is already started. Okay. And this is not only momentum, it's also a double bottom right here. It's clearly a reversal market structure pattern. And also we have momentum. And the reason behind this trade is only a third touch breakout. We don't have more than this, right? So we have also gap down against us. That makes this trade unsafe. You either don't take it or you take it with very small amount. This is how you reduce your risk a lot in trading binary option. Sorry for interruption. For those who are asking, this is the only Telegram channel that I have, which I share my students' results only and the announcements that I have. Nothing too crazy, not like similar fucking signal channels and things like that. If you're interested, that's the first link in the description. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Only 10 seconds remaining of the candle. No. This is a very nice overlapping breakout. Please, man. It gave back the money, man. This is a nice little overlapping breakout. And yeah, my entry was bad on this one. I'm really freaking frustrated. There's no setups. Look at this doji break. This is a swing doji. It has gap up. This is a trap. Never take doji breaks with gap ups against you. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep looking if I can see if I can find a very good trade. Okay, this is a QM. Let me just go to lower time frame. I take one entry right here. And is there a better entry? Yeah, there's a better entry up there, but I just took there and I think it should react. This is the QM zone. Finally. I took only one trade because the entry is right on the shoulder area. If it was above, I would take two entries. We have 3-minute engulfing pattern. The entry is inside the engulfing pattern. If you go back to 30-second, you can see this entry and this entry. This is the better entry for, better entry. But this one is risky because it's at the same level as the shoulders. You know that if you want to take a QM trade, your entry should be above the shoulders. So yeah, I'm going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed, man. This was a hard session for me. Yeah, thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the official Telegram channel. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Guys, just a quick check out with this trade that I told you there's better entry above. Look at this. This was the entry I was talking about, this QM. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.